it's time for snack time on Noggin. Hello there, cooking cousins. Before we start cooking with Luis, there are a few simple rules. Whenever you see any one of these pictures, you'll know which rule to follow. A soap lets you know that you should always wash your hands before preparing food. A frying pan lets you know that you should always have a grown-up nearby when using a stove. A knife lets you know that you should always have a grown-up cut things for you. These rules will make cooking fun and safe for everyone. Whoa, my tummy's rumbling. Time to start cooking with Luis.
Just like my Super Duper breakfast. I'll show you how to cook. Super Duper breakfast. For Super Duper, you can use any two cereals, but I like these. Now the special ingredient. Grab a bowl and 2 spoons. What's this one? 1 teaspoon. A dessert spoon. Put the first cereal in the bowl. Not too much. Only as much as you can eat. The second cereal. Break one of these in half and crush. This is going to be great. Now the special ingredient, approximately half a teaspoon of chocolate. Now we add the soy milk. And pour on top. Let's see. The great thing is this, you can use any cereal you like. That's why it's great. Yummy. Want some? Free. Doing lots, John? That many? A little bit more. You like lots of chocolate, John? You got lots. It's our special milk, soy milk. Lots. It looks like a swordfish. Here you go, John. It'll make your brain work better. It'll grow bigger. When I was 5, I thought of this idea. And it's a cracker. Everyone will love this.
Best ever.
It's yummy. You can also add bananas. Or just eat them. Cooking for kids with Luis. Cooking is great fun. Adios, amigos. That's what my country says.
If you want to find out more about how you can make this tasty treat and other delectable delicacies, you can visit Luis anytime on your computer on Noggin.com.